there we go. Last video she started and ran. Their first startup. Down the night, put the rad, not that one because it's bowed. There's a standard rad over there. Get that in. Get some coolant in her. Get her up to operating temp. Make sure everything's gonna stay together. Hopefully. There we go. There's one standard rad. Switch the fans and expansion tank over. Get her in, get some coolant in her. Fan switched. In the car. There's a standard rad back in. Everything's just kind of temporary for now to run and get up the temperature and stuff. Which obviously still a lot to connect and figure out and stuff, but we've got as much there as she needs to run, as you've seen. So we'll let her run a wee bit, see if we can get her up to temp. And drain the oil, put more. Ooh. Ooh. See, this is why you hoard parts. There's parts here to build shit. This is why you fucking hoard wee bits and pieces, because you never know fucking when. Right. Let's get some of fucking Half Rod's finest in there.
Have you plugged all the shit in?
For the fans and stuff? Not as yet.
Do you want a Funko?
Funko? A funny uncle?
You've got that poor action down, like.
She fucking loves that, look at her.
I give you a fire, you drink a bit of that.
Certainly be a good time.
You're not allowed to like water it down or anything, you have to chug it like a man.
Hang on. It's very sweet. Oh man, I fucked up before. Trying the technique, handle down. It actually kind of works. So yeah, as you've seen as the last one, she ran for a couple of minutes. Got the rad and stuff in so we can actually let her run up the temperature a little bit. So, fingers crossed. And oh yeah, if you're new here, how's it going? This isn't a fucking how-to. We build shit boxes here and race them. I'd say that's pretty accurate.
What's that?
If people are new here, we don't do how-to videos.
No. I wouldn't trust this.
That's probably what not to do. But yeah, I mean, it always seems to work somehow.
Yeah, we're the type of people that would connect the battery terminals the wrong way around.
Just for science.
Just for shits and giggles.
I mean, you always have to know. It's the same as drinking that. You have to fucking know what you're up against.
It's a bit like Loctite. Loctite tastes fucking amazing.
I was going back over the footage of like the sort of the build so far and stuff, and there's the clip where you tasting the raspberry sauce.
It's not very nice. It is definitely not.
Made it a normal idle. When you start these, it'll obviously fucking idle higher. If it's down, if it's just sort of warms up. But we're just obviously very loud because we're open exhaust off the back of the turbo, so I haven't started making the downpipe or anything yet. We just wanted to confirm that she's actually going to run and be healthy enough before we start wasting time on exhaust. But so far, so good. So we check the temp. Temps are on their way up. push around up the temp. Fans kicked on. We got a wee bit of coolant circulating and stuff. Just passed that test. I'm going to pull the manifold off now and figure out routes for screamers and wastegate, which is there. So that's her there. That's a full bottom end refresh, new rings, new fucking thrust burns, bottom end burns.
Professionally honed cylinders.
Honed cylinders, heads went out, got a light skim. It's been pressure tested, flow tested, cleaned. New seals and everything. So it's not a big power build, but full refresh, and she's working so far. So successful so far. Successful so far.
Next test. Throwing some boost down it.
It's gonna be the big test. Oh yeah, 2 head gaskets and decompression plate as well. So lowered the compression a wee bit. So yeah, that's the build. Build.
Sponsored by Irma.
So that's a manifold, in case anyone's wondering. Just the generic eBay 2J manifold, and we are about to start chopping it up.
Yeah, we are.
Yep, baby. If anyone's really that interested, I'm sure I could find the part number for it, but eBay stainless 2J manifold, fits straight on, and obviously you need to, whatever way you're running everything, cut it and make it to your own specifications. So new AFR gauge arrived. Let's get her in. Need to cut that wee bit of bullshit out. We're never gonna have heaters in here again anyway, so yeah, go with the black one. That's the rest of them. Sweet. Right, that's alright. Time for cutting. Cutting and installing. Let's get it. As that's all cut out, fit it in. Mint.